So this is how to fix Discord not loading when it gets stuck or won't start properly. Right-click the Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. Look for any Discord processes in the list. If you see Discord running, click on it and hit End Task. This forces Discord to close completely, so you can restart it fresh. Now try launching Discord again from your desktop or Start menu. If it still won't load, you need to clear Discord's cache files. Right-click the Windows taskbar and select the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This opens your AppData folder where Discord stores temporary files. Find the Discord folder and delete it completely. Next, type %LocalAppData% in the Run dialog and press Enter. Look for another Discord folder here and delete this one too. These folders contain cached data that can get corrupted and prevent Discord from starting. Now restart your computer to make sure everything clears out properly. After the restart, download Discord fresh from their official website. Install it like you would any new program. When you launch it this time, you'll need to log in again with your username and password. If Discord is still having problems, check if your antivirus is blocking it. Right-click the Windows Start menu and select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security in the left panel. Select Windows Security from the options. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down to the Exclusions list. Add Discord to the Exclusions list manually. Sometimes Windows Defender blocks Discord after updates and treats it like suspicious software. You can also try running Discord as administrator to see if that fixes permission issues. Right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as administrator. If none of these steps work, the problem might be with your internet connection or Discord's servers. Check Discord's status page online to see if they're having outages. You can also try connecting to a different network to test if your internet is the issue.